Today we'll be solving the question reverse an array. I'll be solving this question using the Python approach in this video, and in the next video we'll be solving this question using C++. So let's get started. First of all, we'll be initializing the length of the array to n variable, and we'll be initializing the start of the array to s equals to 0 and the ending of the array to e is equals to n minus 1. We'll be using the while loop where s would be less than e to iterate through the entire array, and we'll be assigning the value of array of s equals to array of e and array of e equals to array of s. This would work as the swapping function, and we would move the position of the starting index forward using s plus equals to e plus equals to 1, and we'll be retracting the ending position using e minus equals to 1. And after the while we exit the while loop, we'll be returning the array. So let's run this. As you can see, the elements have been swapped and reversed. Now let's submit this. As you can see, all of the test cases have passed successfully and the time taken is minimum. So see you in the next video. Thank you.